Look at that definition.
That's the Mriya, exactly as described. 6 engines confirmed.
I'm locking in the coordinates now. This is incredible.
Moving to the starboard side fuselage now.
Copy that. Note the density of the coral growth at frame 42.
We're initiating the burn sequence on the forward lift point. Stand clear.
Roger that. Moving back now. Safety diver B, confirm your position.
We must adjust the lift points based on this deformation data.
But the stress models show we are already at the limit.
Secure line 3, we're getting too close to the tug.
Rope secured, hold steady.
The damage on the rear fuselage is significant. We should classify this as severe structural degradation.
Agreed. I'll update the 3D model with the laser data immediately.
Welcome home, Mriya! The dream is back!
Flow rate stabilizing at 1,200 gallons per minute.
Roger that. Keep monitoring the outflow contamination levels.
The actuators are seized solid. We've got major contamination here.
The HPU is redlined. We can't push it any harder.
The stress concentration at frame station 12 is higher than predicted.
Is that within the safety margin for the fuselage?
Take the tension up slowly, watch the clearance. It moved. The engine is free. All right, bring it up, clear the pylon.
According to the diagram, this wiring harness should be disconnected first.
Copy that. Let's inspect the damage on engine 4 next.
I've tagged P12. The readings on the adjacent bay look critical.
Agreed. We need to escalate this section for priority inspection. The depth here is significant.
Check the shear web on this beam. The pitting is extensive.
Confirmed. The cargo attachments are also showing critical fatigue.
The thickness readings here are dangerously low, especially near the actuators.
I agree. The degradation is severe. We have to report this as critical.
Look at the extent of this corrosion. We must disassemble the dual steering mechanism very carefully before the crane moves the strut. The compressor blades show severe pitting and exfoliation corrosion due to saltwater exposure. Documenting this for the report.
Okay, let's confirm the count on the high-pressure vanes. We need all 1,200 accounted for.
Confirmed. Scanning the last tray now.
Look at the pitting on frame 42. It's worse than we thought.
Recording severe exfoliation. Let's check the next section.
We are aligned on the cut line. Maintain current pressure.
Confirmed. Pressure holding steady. Separation in 5 meters.
Okay, slow descent. Watch your alignment on cradle 4.
Roger. Moving to cradle 4. Pressure stable.
Make sure every wire bundle is tagged correctly before it leaves the structure.
Roger. We are moving the avionics rack to staging area 3 now.
Thickness readings are below tolerance, especially near the rib intersection.
Agreed. Highlights the severity.
All right, push it towards the spar. Watch the connections on the left.
Got it. It's catching right here.
Clamps engaged. Looking good up forward. Hold it right there. Starting the next run.
Make sure they're flush. Measurements look good. We are within tolerance. Easy now, just a few more millimeters.
We're aligned, reading green across the board. All clear.
Secure the pins. Easy now, bring it down 5 millimeters.
Clear on this side, watching the alignment.
Looks good, lock it in. All right, easy now, bring her down slow.
We are aligned.
Roger that, starting the sequence.
Bring it up slowly. Watch the clearance.
We're clear. Steady. Hold it steady.
Okay, secure the bolts. The load bearing is secure on this one. All right, let's move to the forward section as per the schematic.
Ensure the hoist is properly rated before lifting.
Check the alignment on section 4. Looks good, torque it down.
The flare on line 32 looks good, but double-check the pressure rating on the coupling. Ensure all 3 independent systems are segregated.
Installation complete on engine 3. Pressure holding steady?
Affirmative. Looks good across the board.
Align it slightly to the left. Okay, engage the wrench now. Make sure the pressure is calibrated.
Bring it down slowly, watch the alignment on axle 4.
Clear.
Okay, lock it in and torque it down. We are good to go. Okay, lower it another centimeter.
Alignment confirmed.
Start the torque sequence on bolt 14. Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment on the starboard side.
Looks good. We are clear for the bolts?
Roger that. 150 kilonewtons. Mark it green.
Pylon mount secure. Position 1. Confirm torque specs on bolts 3 and 4.
Reading nominal. Installation complete.
Bring it down slowly, watch the clearance.
Aligning now, almost there.
Looks good, locking it in. Bring it down 20 centimeters.
Watch the clearance on the pylon.
Hold it right there. Apply the torque now.
Reading green on the gauge. Connection established.
Set the wrench to 75.
75 foot-pounds. Applied.
Make sure that connection is fully torqued down before we apply power.
It's secure. The readings are stable across the board.
Starboard wing attachment is complete. Well done, everyone.
It's quite a sight, isn't it?
Aft crane, micro adjust down. Forward, hold position. We have alignment.
Easy now, easy. 3 centimeters to go.
Clear on this side.
Hold for final seating.
Hold position, lowering slowly. We are aligned.
Confirmed.
Begin the bolting sequence on my mark.
Mark.
Okay, slowly down on the left, watch the clearance.
Copy that, lowering left now.
Looks good on this side, keep it steady. Lower it slowly, watch the clearance on the left.
Okay, easy now. We are almost there.
Looks aligned, bring it in.
Easy now, center line is good.
Confirmed alignment. Lowering into the bay.
The installation of the An-225's massive nose gear requires pinpoint precision and heavy machinery.
Okay, easy now. Watch the alignment on those tracks. Got it. Lining up the front bolt. Torque set to the specification.
We have stable power on auxiliary bus 3.
All right, finalizing the bezel mount now. The boot sequence is complete.
That's the last bolt on the captain's side.
Looks solid. I'm checking the wiring now.
Running the alignment check now.
And the readings. Okay, pitch control established. We are rigged.
Check the tension on the primary cable. It seems slightly off spec.
Reading 250 inch-pounds. It is secured now. Confirmed.
All right, bring her down another 2 meters, slowly.
Copy that. Lowering now.
Watch the starboard side clearance, careful. Control, this is structural lead. We are clear of the fuselage. Continue ascent to 15 meters, then track left. Monitor the inboard stress points.
Maintain current descent rate on the crane. Watch the clearance on the cradle.
Descent rate steady. Clearances look good.
Needs to move 5 millimeters to the left.
Copy that. Easing the pressure now. Pressure is steady at 50 psi.
Wait, look there. We have a breach in section 4, major spray.
System 1 pressure is stable at 3,000 psi. No leaks detected at the manifold. Confirm readings logged.
Bus ties engaged. We have power.
Confirmed. Stable voltage across the board.
Nose gear reading confirmed at 45 tons.
Roger that. The total weight aligns perfectly with the 285 estimate.
Bring it down slowly, watch the starboard side.
Clear on my end.
Roger, holding steady.
Ensure all brackets are double locked.
Affirmative. Calibrating the gauge now.
Ensure the red bundle is secured to the avionics rack before we power up the system.
Copy that. Using the crimping tool now. Are we getting a signal from sensor 42?
Running final sequence validation.
Systems check complete. We have a green light across the board.
Reading 3.2 degrees, consistent with the manual.
Confirmed. The rigging is within tolerance. Let's complete the sign-off.
Трохи нижче. Ось тут, будь ласка.
Добре. Зараз виправлю.
Ailerons and spoilers checked. Now moving to elevators, full down.
Roger that. Elevators responding correctly.
Engine 1 start, N1 rotation.
N1 coming up, oil pressure green, EGT stable.
Idle achieved, parameters normal. Rotation steady, approaching 3-0, confirming readings.
Reading 29 degrees.
29 degrees noted, proceed to the next cardinal point.
Flaps and slats configured for takeoff.
Checked. Engine parameters stable.
Systems integration complete.
Mriya ground, flow is steady. We anticipate completion in 10 minutes.
Roger, Mriya ground.
The weather window looks clear for the morning takeoff.
Yes, but we need to monitor the crosswinds at FL 200.
Agreed. Ensure all systems checks are finalized by 0400.
Nose gear, steering lockout engaged.
Confirmed, Captain. Checking engine 1 intake now. Looking good.
Engineer, start sequence initiated. Engine 1, engaged.
Roger that. Engine 1 stabilized. Proceed with 2.
Engine 2, engaged.
Mriya, you are clear for taxi to holding point.
Roger that. Tower. All systems green.
All systems verify green.
Confirmed.
There she is. Look at her fly. We did it.
Takeoff checklist complete, hydraulics green.
Engine stable, continuous thrust set.
Data confirms nominal climb, all parameters normal.
Initiating gentle bank to the left, control input confirmed.
Airspeed stable, rate of turn nominal. Response is positive.